Okay guys, I'm at Hartford still. It's Friday night. I'm on 5-cent denomination. Probably got this in, I don't know, 10 or 12 spins. I had the 6 to start out, 6 or 7. And my first spin was, it hit 4 pieces of dynamite in there. And then the second spin, I think I hit 2 or 3. And then my third spin, I was up to this, and so I have 1 spin left. I really need that, so we're gonna hit it. So we're gonna do it right now. Come on! Yes! I just got the whole thing. So I am actually, I could get that right there, probably that. This is my first time I've ever had the whole screen. I got people staring at me, so hold on. Alright, yes. Wish me luck, y'all. Okay, I'm letting this sizzle, guys. Let's do it. Let's get something reasonable. Don't upset me. It's gonna be times 5, right? Come on. Come on. Oh, yeah, baby. That's pretty much gravy. That is 500 smackers right there. Amazing. There was no major jackpot, minor, nothing. I will take that over the minor any day. Can you say I'm up for the night? Yes, I can. Boom. And I was actually hoping for free games. Let's do dime denomination. Let's do a few dimes here. So I'm at $5 a spin now. Almost got free games. I'm not going to waste too much of this because I'll put this all back in the bank. I still can't get that Eureka yet. That was $8. Almost. It just doesn't want to give up the free games apparently.
Well, there were some girls here earlier that were winning a lot of the free games. I think they wore it out.
Well, at least they left some for me.
Well, I don't know. You got the biggest one so far.
You should go back on my Facebook, Melissa, on Sunday. I was bonusing all over the place. It was nuts at Four Winds, New Buffalo. All right, let me get off here. I'll talk to you later.